Alright, back out with the Etrac. I'm going to do another test. This time I'm going to use a silver dime in the actual test I'm going to do, but this is a clad dime. Okay, it's reached 1245. Now this is an old silver Merc. It's a reading 46 conductive. A similar test I did yesterday with a nickel. This time it's old silver Merc dime. Got this machine, the screen's more or less pretty much open. Got the variability maxed out on it. It's fast recovery speed, difficult ground, high trash. Okay. I get a 45 conductive number in the window. So that nail's not bothering that dime like it bothers that nickel with this detector. There's a 46 in the window. Okay, and here's the Equinox. This is that same Merc dime. 27 in the window. So I get 27, 28. That's speed 6, park 2. So I'm getting something to tell me to dig. Push horseshoe button. Just a little sneak preview of the tone on this Amphibio. This is 3-tone on this Merc dime. Nice clear tone. Actually, I love the tone on this machine. Far better than the Impact. Alright. I'm going to pick this nail up. This mercury dime is about 4 inches deep. Somewhere about where that brown cap is. That's 26 manual sensitivity, normal tones. Get a 45 conductive number in the window, nice tone. Ferrous number's up some. Now this is freshly buried. Let's put this Equinox over so you can hear it with it. Okay, now this has already been noise canceled. Park 2 speed 6. I'm not going to go through all the field and park modes. This is just park 2. 0 iron bias. A lot of 27s, a few 26s, a few 28s. Good signal. Okay. I'll just leave the Equinox running. Okay, now I'm going to lay this nail down. I'm not going to move it, and I'm going to test the Etrac too. All right, now listen to this. I get a little something on a little hover sweep. Okay, so that's really a fail. Okay, just for gee whiz, I'm going to quickly go over here, speed it up to 7. No help. Okay. Back to the Etrac. Fast recovery, difficult ground, high trash, 26 manual sensitivity. Got a 43 in the window on conductive number. But I've got tone. May have a little false on that nail, but that gets my attention. Hover sweep, tone. Well, there's a 40 conductive number. We'll move this nail over just a little bit, just to see what happens. It's 44 in the window. So I'll let y'all be the judge on that test right there, but I believe the old Etrac's got the Equinox. Fire. Okay, I moved it to see how it would affect the Etrac. So I'm gonna sweep the Equinox over. So it helped the Equinox a little bit. I can hear it a little there. You miss that find right there in the field hunting if you ain't careful with both these detectors. But trained ear says the Etrac with a stock coil might get it better though. Now you can look at the forums and you can sort of see people sort of report, you know, show what they find. They talk about a little bit about the history of where they hunt. You can definitely see a trend where the FBS guys and the CTX2, when they go into a site and then they go back in with an Equinox, yeah, they find a few silvers occasionally, but it's nickels, maybe mid-conductors. Now you get into maybe a heavier iron environment, the Equinox, yeah, it probably has an advantage. With sparse iron, the FBS on high conductors is deadly if you can interpret, you know, what it's telling you. You know, you got to watch that ferrous number and watch that disc you run on that machine. You need to keep that thing open down, you know, like line 27, 28, 26. It's not just mild ground. You know, hot ground can cause one to run the ferrous number up, but iron will too.